Hi, today I'm going to talk about the names of some 3D shapes. So here you'll see on the screen that there's a bunch of different types of shapes. But they really kind of narrow down to two different types, prisms and pyramids. A prism, which are all the things up here, have two parallel bases. What I mean by that is if we look right here, our base is this triangle, and on the other side of the shape, there's another triangle back here. Our base is the square, and on the other side, there's another base. Our base is this rectangle, and on the other side, there's another matching rectangle. Here it's this pentagon, and on the other side, there's another pentagon. Here it's the hexagon and octagon. Okay? So a prism has two parallel bases connected by sides, and those sides are made out of rectangles. And you can see, right, here's the side of a rectangle, all of that stuff. They all make rectangles. Then underneath here, we have pyramids. A pyramid has a shape that's the base, and then all of the sides meet at a point. So parallel to the base is a point where all the sides meet. So here we have a base that's a triangle, and then on the other side, they meet at a point. A base that's a square, here's our point. Rectangle, here's our point. Pentagon, here's our point. Hexagon, here's our point, and octagon. The way we name each shape is based on their base. So this is a triangular prism because it's a prism, it has two parallel bases, and that base is a triangle. This is a square prism because it has two square bases, which makes it a prism, and that base is a square. Here is a rectangle, two bases that are rectangles, and so because there's two parallel bases, we know it's a prism, and because they're rectangles, we know they're rectangular. It's a rectangular prism. And you can catch on to the names of these: pentagonal, hexagonal, octagonal. The same idea is true for the pyramids. Whatever is the shape of the base, that's the type of pyramid we call it. So triangular pyramid, square pyramid, rectangular pyramid has a rectangular base. Pentagonal, hexagonal, and octagonal. Those are 3D shapes and pyramids. Then the next kinds I want to talk about are cylinders. A cylinder is really a prism with a circular base. So it kind of looks like a can. And cones. A cone is a pyramid with a circular base. And you can imagine a cone like an ice cream cone. The last one is a sphere. A sphere is just like a ball, like a soccer ball, a basketball, a baseball, anything like that. That is what a sphere is. Thanks, guys.